Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Meenakshi and today in this video I'll tell you how you can make peanut butter at home. So after making this peanut butter at home, I bet you won't buy another from the market as it is so much cheaper and tastes absolutely amazing. So let's start. These are the raw peanuts I have taken. You can even take the roasted salted peanuts. So as these are the raw ones, I'll be roasting on a pan on a very low flame. So as you can see, it has left its skin and it has been roasted very well after 10 minutes. So I'll just turn off the gas and allow it to cool properly. So now to make crunchy peanut butter, I'll be taking some of the peanuts separately in a bowl. So now to make the peanut butter, I'll need 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 big tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon olive oil. So this is the size of my teaspoon and this is the tablespoon I have taken. So after it has been cooled down, just take a roti napkin, transfer peanuts to it. So I transferred the whole peanuts to it. It was difficult for me to remove the skin. So I recommend that you just transfer half of them first and half later. So as the skin of the peanuts have been removed, which are left, I'll be doing it with the hands to remove the skin properly. Now just transfer the peanuts in a strainer and remove the skin like this and then transfer in your bowl. Please note the strainer that I have taken. So in this only the skin will be removed properly. So as it is done, I'll be now taking a grinder. You can even take a food processor. I have shown in a grinder as most of the families have mixer grinder normally. So just grind it for a minute and you will see the powdery form here. Now in this stage you have to add the salt, honey and the olive oil to it. This was 2 cups peanuts, so I have just doubled the amount, like 2 teaspoon oil, 2 tablespoon honey and half teaspoon salt I have added here. So now you need to grind it for 1 to 2 minutes and you will see that it has started to clump together. So now just scrape the sides of the bowl with the spatula. Now again grind for another 2 minutes or until there's a shine and the peanut butter is creamy. So as you can see, my peanut butter is ready. Homemade peanut butter will always have a bit rougher texture than a jar of Skippy or Fun Foods. So you can always add a teaspoon of oil to make it more creamy. But as it is natural, so I'll prefer this homemade peanut butter only. So now you can transfer in a jar in which you want to store, and you can store for 3 to 6 months in a refrigerator. So the more powerful the blender will be, more creamy it will be. So you can blend it always more for the rich and smooth texture. And yes, the leftover peanuts that I took aside, you just need to take a roti napkin with the help of a rolling pin, grind it a bit. As I forgot to add earlier in my peanut butter, so I'm just garnishing on the top to make it a bit crunchy peanut butter. So my crunchy peanut butter is ready. Now I've just toasted a slice of brown bread. So I'll spread a layer of peanut butter on the top and I'll add few pieces of banana to it and just taste it. It tastes absolutely divine, guys. Or take few pieces of apple, dip it in your peanut butter and have it. So this is really very energetic and gives an instant boost if you want to go for a gymming. So have it before going to a gym or doing a workout, guys. This peanut butter is very healthy and you can have it in your breakfast too. This is so filling. So hope you will try it at home, guys, and do let me know in the comment section. But before going, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, please, guys.